Kang here, and today I will be showing you how you can easily edit any video with the help of Acer Swift 3 laptop and the power of Windows 11 AI plus its CoPilot feature. Let's go. So before I take you guys on the process on how to edit your videos with Windows 11, CoPilot, and Microsoft Clipchamp, I know you guys are curious about this laptop right here. So feast your eyes on this stunning piece of tech, the Acer Swift 3. This laptop is like my secret weapon for video editing on the go. Not only does it pack a serious punch in performance, but it also has that sleek, elegant look that turns heads wherever I go. And guess what? It's so lightweight that I can easily take it anywhere. Whether I'm hopping between cosplay events or just chilling at a cafe, is perfect for those times when I've got a few tasks left on my to-do list or when inspiration strikes unexpectedly. Honestly, it's like this laptop was made for creators like us, always on the move and ready to create something awesome at a moment's notice. And syempre, as a content creator, I was drawn to its breathtaking screen display and built-in Acer Blue Light Shield technology that helps lessen the strain on your eyes when you are working. I know you guys experience it too, that when we spend a lot of time in front of our laptops, our eyes sometimes feel dry. For me, the Acer Blue Light Shield technology is definitely an added plus as someone who edits a lot of videos. Now that you guys have gotten to know my favorite laptop for digital editing, let's get into how you can maximize your whole video editing experience with Windows 11 CoPilot and Clipchamp. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of video editing. We all know it starts with a spark, an idea, right? But hey, let's be real. We all hit that creative wall sometimes. It's like our brains decides to go on vacation just when we need it the most. Sounds familiar? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. I've recently discovered this game changer, the new Windows 11 CoPilot feature, and let me tell you, it's been a total lifesaver. This little gem has been my go-to brainstorming pal for all my latest projects. Whenever I'm stuck, it swoops in with fresh ideas and topics that I can spin into my videos. It's like having a creative sidekick that never runs out of energy. From sparking new concepts to offering unique suggestions, this feature has seriously boosted my efficiency, especially when I'm in need of that extra creative nudge. Honestly, it's like CoPilot knows exactly what I need before I even know it myself. So now that I have a concept in mind and talking points to go through, that's when I start creating through Clipchamp. But before we get into that, let me just sneak in a quick point. Whenever I create videos like this, I always make sure I'm in this zone. And Windows 11 CoPilot has truly become my productivity partner. It effortlessly sets my focus mode on with just a simple click, offers ways to boost my efficiency, and even sets a timer for me. This way, I can concentrate fully on whatever task I need to accomplish for the day. So with Clipchamp, at first glance, I know it can be a little bit overwhelming because it's a new video editing app. But trust me when I say that Clipchamp is actually easy to navigate. From templates and music to stock videos and transitions, there's a bunch of categories you can explore and use when you produce your videos. What I can personally recommend though for you guys to do first is to gather and combine all the media files that you'll be using. So you can do this by adding photos or videos directly from your desktop or you can check out their stock footage library for more clips if you need them. Here's a real kicker. Ever find yourself stuck not knowing how to piece your video together? Well, stress no more. Clipchamp is packed with ready-to-use templates that are just waiting to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're aiming for quirky, dramatic, or anything in between, there's a template for every mood and style. So now that you have all your raw photos and videos ready for editing, you can now check out the different transitions you want to add to your video. Just like their template and stock footage categories, Clipchamp also has a bunch of transitions for you guys to choose from. Whether your video needs that smooth slide effect to keep the story flowing, or a dramatic fade to black for those impactful moments, Clipchamp has got it all. With just a few clicks, you can transform your videos from simple sequence to captivating stories. Now, let's talk about jazzing up your videos with some text. Clipchamp offers a whole range of preset fonts and colors, making it super easy to find the perfect match for your content. Whether you're working on a casual vlog or a formal video for an event, go ahead, play around with the text styles and watch as your videos transform into an engaging, informative masterpiece. Another quick tip for spicing up your videos: add some background music. It's like the secret sauce that makes everything better. Music breathes life into your content, setting the perfect mood. Clipchamp is like your personal music library with a mix of genres and sound effects to fit any video. Think of it as the final touch that takes your work from great to wow. So with Clipchamp, it's easy to find that perfect beat. Clipchamp isn't just an editing tool. It's a creative playground. And let's face it, who wouldn't jump at a chance to have that kind of fun with their videos, right? And speaking of fun, did you guys know that you can actually let Clipchamp create a video for you using AI? For those who need an extra hand in editing, all you have to do is add your files, choose which style you want your overall video to look like, adjust your video length, click export, and you're good to go. Microsoft Clipchamp makes creativity easier talaga. And that's it, guys. Our creative blocks now have a swift solution with the Acer Swift 3 and the genius of Windows 11 CoPilot plus the Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope this little adventure into the world of video editing has been fun for you guys. Now, I'm super excited to see the amazing videos you're going to create and share online. Ready to step into the creator spotlight? Join me on this exciting journey by getting your hands on the Acer Swift 3 turbocharged with the incredible power of Windows 11 AI. To grab yours, just head over the Acer page online store and don't forget to follow the Acer official social media channels. All the links are right here for you. Thank you again for tuning in and keep pushing the boundaries of creativity. And remember, the world is your canvas. Can't wait to see your masterpieces out there. Again, this is Kang and bye for now.